everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing to do and I am so excited because I saw this piece and I thought it was so cute, as you can tell by the title. What it is. Comes in this box. I'm so excited to open it. I forgot to lift up the box. And in this bag here, it is so cute. I am so excited. Oh my god, how cute is this? Look at that. It is so cute. So as you can see here, there's stampings, Louis Vuitton monogram stampings, and then on here it's like stitched on material, so it's 3D and it has a key in its sequence. It is so cute. I think it's so vibrant and it stands out so much. And look at the back here. The back is just so amazing. It is so cute. On here, it does say Louis Vuitton. I think there's supposed to be a strap in here. Ta-da! Look at that. It is a strap. So as you can see, it is removable since it was off. And on the strap, it does say Louis Vuitton on there. They make Louis Vuitton stuff so detailed, and I do love that about that they put their LVs on their hardware. I just think it just adds so much to it, just the quality of it. And of course it's the monogram, and you can see all the LVs on there. It has a zip closure, which I love. And let me give you the measurements of this bag. So this is 9.2 this way, 3.2 this way, and then 0.2 here. I guess if I had to compare this with anything, it would be more of the, I guess the Neverfull MM's pouch, but the Neverfull MM pouch is bigger and it's really flat. So the one that I got with my Neverfull, the Damier Azur, I sold it. I just never used it. I felt like it wasn't that cute. But I saw this and it's a little bit smaller and it fits more in there, and I just think it's so me. It's more me. So let me show you what fits in my bag. But before I do that, it comes with this booklet here. There we go. City pouch. And of course, all Louis Vuittons come with this little thing here. I know a couple times I didn't get it and I thought that was kind of weird. Whoa, the inside is so soft, you guys. It feels like velvet. It's like, oh, I wish I had a blanket this soft. It is that soft. I love it. And it is made in Spain. Can you guys see that? I'm not really sure. But it is so soft. Oh my goodness. I could just leave my hand in there the whole time. Anyways, let me show you what fits in there, or what I would be carrying into this pouch here. To me, this is more casual. It's more for jean wear, or, you know, just whatever you want to wear. Just nothing dressy. I just don't feel like it goes with dressy clothes. Maybe if I wore all black, or I don't know. I haven't really tested this out or tried it on with anything, but it's definitely casual. So what I would be putting inside my purse, or whatever you want to call this, wristlet, clutch, is my iPhone X. Okay. I would definitely remove my car keys from my 6-ring key holder because I want to minimize when I carry this. So I'm going to stick that in here. And of course I'd be carrying my card holder, or I can also throw one of my credit cards, my cash, and my driver's license loose in there. But I think I'm going to use the card holder. Always have to have gum. And my Dior lipstick. This lipstick's usually bigger than average, so if you don't like your bags bulkier, I guess don't bring the Dior one. And I guess that's about it. And if I want to carry a compact, I can. Let me see what it looks like closed. Okay, this is perfect. It doesn't look bulky. It looks amazing. This is so cute. I love it. So I can carry it like this if I want to free my hands, fix my hair, go to the restroom, hang it on the door if I have to. I can put it underneath my arms. I can just hold it just like this, or like this as well. I think this piece is the perfect piece to own. I think everybody should own one of these. That's how much I love it. I haven't been able to use it yet, but I looked at it and I was like, whoa, hold on here. That is like the perfect size of clutch that I need, and cute. So it's nothing fancy. Excuse me. Now, if I wanted to as well, make it look super cute, I can add my pom-pom on there. Woo, that does look amazing. Let me show you what this looks like on me, just so you guys can have a view of that. Okay. So, let me move my chair. So, I can either carry it just like this, okay, or like this, or like I said, if you want to free your hands, you can carry it just like this. If I'm carrying drinks, I'm able to get two. Or I can carry it just like this. I think this dress is a little bit too, I don't think it really quite goes with this, but if I wanted to, I will just go for it. If I, but today I am carrying a different purse. Now, since I'm up, let me let you, I can't even talk today. I am wearing a dress by Joey. It's from Saks. I got it on sale. It's still there. I see it on the website. It is silk. It's pink. It's frilly. It's so light and so springy. I think it is so cute. It's got little ruffles here. It's very feminine, and I think it's so pretty. And as you know, in Texas, it gets super hot, and this is like the perfect dress for today. I am busy, and I have to run and meet somebody, and this is definitely not something that I'll be carrying today. I wish I could, but today I am sporting this gorgeous piece here, and I will have a video on this beautiful Valentino bag that I am wearing today. Anyways, so I am done with my video. I have to go. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments on the bottom, and please subscribe to me. I do have other videos coming, and I have a lot more that I've already done, so please look at all those. Click on the bell to get notification, and yeah, that's it. So have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.